Understanding when you can get a Western Union refund and how to request one has become much clearer in 2025. Let's explore the eligibility criteria and available methods. First, let's understand what makes a Western Union transfer eligible for a refund. There are specific scenarios where Western Union will process your refund request. Eligible scenarios include transfers that weren't picked up, duplicate transactions, incorrect amounts, service issues, and fraudulent transactions with proper documentation. However, you cannot get a refund for transactions that were already collected, disputes over goods or services, simple changes of mind, or transactions beyond the time limits. Western Union offers 3 main methods to request a refund in 2025. Each method has different processing times and requirements. The first method is the online portal at westernunion.com, available 24/7 with real-time tracking and the fastest processing time of 3 to 7 business days. The second method is calling customer service at 1-800-325-6000, which offers multilingual support and processes refunds in 5 to 10 business days. The third method is visiting an agent location in person, where you'll need to bring ID and your receipt. This method takes 7 to 14 business days to process. As you can see, digital methods like the online portal and mobile app offer the fastest processing times, making them the preferred choice for most customers in 2025. Understanding these eligibility criteria and methods will help you choose the best approach for your specific situation and get your refund processed as quickly as possible. To request a refund online, your first step is to log into your Western Union account. You can do this through their website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your transaction history section. This is where you'll find all your previous money transfers and their current status. If your transaction is eligible for a refund, you'll see a Request Refund option next to it. Click on this option to begin the refund process. You'll need to complete a refund request form. Select your reason from the drop-down menu or provide a detailed explanation. Common reasons include transaction not picked up, duplicate payment, or incorrect amounts sent. After submitting your refund request, you'll receive a confirmation number and estimated processing time. Keep this information safe as you'll need it to track your refund status. As of 2025, Western Union has streamlined this entire process with AI-powered systems that can reduce processing times and provide real-time status updates through their enhanced digital platform.